What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa. You have been asking for this hairstyle tutorial video for a while now. I've been rocking the curly undercut for maybe a couple months and I've been really digging it. I think it's a cool look, carefree look, easy to achieve, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to get this hairstyle. Now you might be thinking, Alex, that just looks like you went to bed and you woke up and you look like that. And that's kind of the point. It's supposed to be a carefree look. And to achieve this hairstyle, it's actually quite easy. I'm gonna show you exactly from beginning to end how to get here. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with damp hair. You can see that I just got out of the shower and my hair looks just like this. The first thing that I do is apply a little bit of the Forte series argan oil. This is the perfect heat protectant. It's going to create this coat around your hair that protects it from the heat from heat tools like a flat iron or a blow dryer. So if you use those, this is going to save your hair. It also smells absolutely incredible. Everyone who gets this oil says that it smells great. So highly recommend you check this out. All you need are a couple of drops. That's pretty much all I use right there. It's gonna make your hair feel smooth, healthy, and like I said, it smells incredible. Just coat your ends, make sure that you get all your ends, and anything that you're going to be blow drying or applying heat to, make sure that you get the argan oil in there. Next up, what you're going to use is the sea salt spray from Forte series. Now, the sea salt spray is a very easy to use tool. I love it if you're going for a carefree look. If you like that beachy, wavy look, this is the perfect hair product for that. All you got to do is spray. I like to do between 4 to 6 sprays like this. That's it. And then just make sure that you get it all over your hair like that, from the roots all the way to the end. If you have medium to long hair, if you're going for that Jon Snow hairstyle or like a messy middle part, aka the curtains, this is a great product for that. It's very easy to use. Application could not be easier. You don't have to mix anything into your hands. Just spray it and then style it. Now, a lot of people ask me, Alex, does this create curls? I have straight hair. If I use the sea salt spray, is that gonna give me curls? And the answer to that is no. It does enhance the curls. So I have pretty wavy hair. Once I apply this, it enhances my curls, it brings them out. But if you have straight hair, this is really gonna texturize it, add a little bit of hold, and make it that beachy, carefree look, but it's not going to immediately add curls to your hair. So I would recommend, if you're going for this hairstyle, and if you have super straight, straight hair, get a perm, or you're gonna have to actually use a heating tool to curl it. Now, you could just let it air dry and just use your fingers to scrunch it up and create that desired shape and the desired curls. But I'm gonna use a blow dryer, introducing the Forte series blow dryer, which is not yet out, but I'll let you guys know when it's out. I think you guys are gonna like this one. What do you think of the look? Let me know in the comment section below. So first, I'm gonna use this tool right here, this nozzle, to create some lines. I like to push my hair forward on the sides, and so this part of my hair is gonna be a little bit more straight, and then right about here is where we'll create the curls, and for that part, I'll use the diffuser. So let's get started. Make sure to use this nozzle, and then apply high heat. All right, now that this part of my hair is styled, you can see that I pushed it forward, styled it down here, and forward here, and then also in the back, I kind of blow dry it upwards to create kind of like more volume up here. Now that that's kind of done, you can see that it's not perfect, and that's just the nature of this hairstyle. You don't want it to be too perfect. It's a messy, curly hairstyle. Now what we're gonna do is swap this directional nozzle right here for this diffuser right here. Now the point of the diffuser is to diffuse. It makes the airstream come out less powerful, right? It's not pushing as much air. It's coming out all around here, and it's just heating up your hair with a little bit of air force, and that is going to dry your hair in that way without making your hair go straight. So let's do this. What I like to do is just scrunch my hair like this as I am styling it. Sometimes what I also like to do is literally just put the diffuser on my head and then create circles with it, and that also adds texture and curls to my hair. And you guys can see how curly my hair is now. The diffuser definitely helps, but the sea salt spray just adds character. It adds that curl definition that you're looking for. And then now, to finish this off, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to apply a little bit of the Forte series hair cream. Now this hair cream, it's very light. It does give you some really good hold, medium hold, but it's very easy to apply, and it's going to add a really nice natural shine that I like with my hairstyles. Whereas like the sea salt spray leaves it more matte, as you can see. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this hairstyling cream just like that, basically scrunching my hair. Again, creating that definition, creating those curls. And honestly guys, what I would also recommend, play around with it. Like I literally put my finger in there, roll it up, create curls, you know, shape my hair in a way that I think looks cool. Like I said, the best part about this hairstyle is there's no right or wrong. You're just having fun with it. It's supposed to look a little messy. It's supposed to not be perfect. So after you got your curls in there, you got your hair products, this is going to stay. It actually, believe it or not, looks better after a little while. It just settles in really well. If you want to add some hairspray, you can do that. I just think it's overkill. There's no need for that. And you can make it as messy as you want, or if you want to spend time making it perfect, you can do that. I just think the messier, the better. It's just a really cool, carefree look. So guys, if you're looking for the best hair products in the game, make sure to check out forteseries.com. It's all listed in the description below. And remember, to get this hairstyle, you're gonna need the argan oil, the sea salt spray, and the hair cream. It's all listed in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.